Physiotherapy is currently listed in the New Zealand Immigration Long-Term Skills Shortage List. This means that there is an ongoing shortage of physiotherapists in New Zealand. Do you want to work as a physiotherapist in this beautiful country located in the southwestern Pacific Ocean? If yes, then this video is for you. Today, we will discuss the best pathways for you to practice as a physiotherapist in New Zealand if you have already completed your physiotherapy bachelor's and are registered practitioner in your home country. Let us start with the most common pathway, which almost every one of us knows about. This route involves pursuing higher studies in New Zealand. There are several outstanding colleges and universities in New Zealand that offer world-class physiotherapy master courses to global students. These include the University of Auckland and the University of Otago, etc. After completing your masters, you can get registered with the Physiotherapy Board of New Zealand and begin your physiotherapy internship or practice in the country. Next, we have the direct registration method, with which physiotherapy professionals from different parts of the world can register and work in New Zealand. Now, the process is different for general scope physiotherapists and specialist scope physiotherapists. Generally, it involves filing an application for registration, getting your documents checked, and paying the required fee to the Physiotherapy Board of New Zealand. However, this process might be costly, time-consuming, and highly competitive, and experts with more valuable experience are given preference. But there is a third way out for physiotherapists from the United Kingdom, Ireland, Canada, or South Africa. This is the International Express Pathway. Through this pathway, if you are already registered in any of these countries and have been practicing physiotherapy there, you can get registered in New Zealand. The easiest and the most famous is the HCPC way, which means that you can get registered with the Health and Care Practitioner Council in the United Kingdom and then migrate to New Zealand through the International Express Pathway. Learn all about HCPC registration in our other video. Now, there's another option for physiotherapists who are already registered in Australia. So, whether you are an Australian physiotherapist or a foreign physiotherapist who cleared the Australian Physiotherapy Council assessments and is registered in Australia, you are eligible to move your physiotherapy practice to New Zealand without any additional requirements. This is possible through the Trans-Tasman Mutual Recognition Pathway. With the TTMR Act, Australian physiotherapists can register and work in New Zealand and vice versa. So, if you are a physiotherapist searching for the best way to register and get a job in New Zealand, there are several options for you to grab. You just need the right guidance and support. Here, Academically jumps right in. We can help you understand different pathways, choose the best option, and go through the registration process till you get a job in your preferred country. So, physiotherapists, what are you waiting for? Fill up the form in the description to book a free one-on-one counseling with our experts and start your journey to an awesome physiotherapy career overseas today. Do you happen to live in or near Chandigarh or Hyderabad? If yes, then you are in luck. Dr. Akram Ahmed is coming to your city with a special seminar for healthcare professionals, MedConnect with Dr. Akram. Sign up for the seminar using the link in the description to get amazing career counseling for free. Visit our social media handles for more information and stay tuned with Academically for all things healthcare. Thank you.